Today, we are breaking down an important clarification from the Finance Minister regarding CIBIL scores and loan approvals. If you are someone planning to take a loan or worried about your low or no CIBIL score, this news directly affects you. I'll explain what the Finance Ministry said in Parliament, what role CIBIL really plays, what protections RBI has given borrowers, and whether the government plans to replace CIBIL with its own body. So let's begin. A big question many first-time borrowers ask is, can my loan be rejected because of no or low CIBIL score? The Finance Ministry has clarified for first-time borrowers, CIBIL score is not mandatory. Banks cannot reject your loan application just because you have no credit history. Instead, banks can approve or reject application based on various other factors like income, repayment ability, and internal policies. So, if you have never taken a loan before, do not worry. Having no score does not automatically disqualify you. Now, let's understand what exactly is CIBIL. CIBIL stands for Credit Information Bureau, India Limited, now known as TransUnion CIBIL. It is one of the 4 credit information companies, CICs, recognized by the RBI. The other 3 are Equifax, Experian, and CRIF Highmark. These agencies collect and maintain your credit history, like whether you paid EMIs on time, delayed payments, settled loans, or defaulted. Banks use this information to judge how reliable a borrower is. In short, a good score increases your chance of getting loans easily, while a poor score can make things difficult. The Reserve Bank of India has made it clear that there is no minimum credit score mandated for getting a loan. Your credit score is only one of the inputs for banks. Lenders must look at your full financial profile before deciding. In fact, the RBI has specifically instructed that loan application of first-time borrowers must not be rejected just because they have no history. This is an important protection for young professionals, students, or anyone new to the credit system. Many people ask, how much should I pay to check my CIBIL score? The Finance Ministry clarified that the fee is regulated by RBI and cannot exceed 100 rupees. If you request your own credit report, plus since 2016, RBI has directed all CICs to provide one free credit report with score every year in electronic format. So you can always get at least one free credit report annually. Another question raised in Parliament was, will the government replace CIBIL with its own agency? The ministry said the government is setting up a National Financial Information Registry, NFIR, as a central repository of financial data. This will make credit accessible more comprehensively. But as of now, there is no plan of replace CIBIL or any of the other CICs. So, CIBIL and other credit bureaus will continue to function under RBI's regulation. Now, let's talk about protections for borrowers. What if a bank misuses your data or you face problem with your credit score? The Finance Ministry explained that RBI has taken several measures to safeguard customers. Free annual report, as mentioned, one free full credit report with score every year. Internal ombudsman, every CIC must have an independent ombudsman to review customer complaints before rejecting them. RBI Ombudsman, if not satisfied, you can approach the RBI Ombudsman under the Integrated Ombudsman Scheme 2021. SMS or email alerts. CICs must notify customers whenever their credit report is accessed. This inquiry will also reflect in your credit history. Default notification. Customers must be informed through SMS or email about defaults or overdue days in their loans. Root cause analysis. CICs must analyze customer complaints at least twice a year to fix recurring issues. These safeguards are designed to ensure transparency, accountability, and fair treatment of borrowers. So, CIBIL score is not mandatory for first-time borrowers. Banks cannot reject loans just because you have no credit history. Credit score is important but not the only factor. You get at least one free credit report per year, and RBI has put strong safeguards to protect borrowers. This Clarifies from the Finance Ministry brings relief, especially for first-time borrowers and young individuals entering the credit system. That's all for today's detailed explainer. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and share, and tell us in the comments what do you think about RBI's role in protecting borrowers. Thank you for watching.